Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha and I'm from India. I'm learning English guys, and today I'm going to talk about a very beautiful topic, how to think in English directly. Because this technique is very important for every person who wants to learn English and who wants to speak fluently English. So this technique is very helpful for beginners also, because if we talk about my experience, so I also apply these techniques for my improving my English, and this is how I can speak today in front of you guys. So do you think every sentence is Hindi to English in your mind, and try to translate every sentence is Hindi to English in your mind? So guys, this process is very late, and if you wanted to become a fluent in English, so you have to avoid this technique. You have to build the habit to directly think in English. For example, if you uh, if you want water, like if you need water, so you have to think in your mind directly, I need water. Don't think like मुझे पानी चाहिए. You have to think directly, I need water. So this is very important and helpful technique for beginners and every learners. So today I thought I should share you my experience, how can I build the habit to think in English directly. So guys, this technique is very helpful, because when we try to translate Hindi to English, so this process is very late, and if we are trying to translate everything in our mind Hindi to English, so we can't become a fluent speaker, because this process is late, and if we wanted to become a fluent speaker, so we have to avoid some things like we have to uh, try to think directly English. So guys, and if you also if you do mistake when you think directly in your mind, so guys, mistake is a part of learning, and mistake is not a very big deal and not a very bad thing. Mistake is a good thing. If you are making mistakes, so that means you are learning, and you are learning something day by day, you are improving. So mistake is not very bad thing. So just avoid it and keep learning and keep trying to speak English directly, and think English directly. So this technique is very helpful, and if you follow this technique, so definitely one day you will become a fluent speaker, and you can improve in English. So guys, if you like this video, so if you like this video, so share with your friends, and subscribe my channel, and hit the like button. So guys, we will meet again in the next video. So thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Keep supporting me.